Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of 3 videos covering the topic how to draw a title block on a A3 paper. In the previous video, we started the title block, and in today's video, we'll be continuing the title block. So we'll be starting the video now. So what we want to do now, we want to close that section of the title block, right? So this is our topic, right? So because I know ahead of time that I can change my title block, or what I'm going to make this as a block. I'm going to save it as a like a pre-template and use it in the future, right? So because I know building drawing is short and engineering, we'll be doing some engineering drawings and mechanical engineering drawings. Those words are longer than building drawing, right? So I know that I'm going to need some more space. All right. So I'm not going to put close that part like what I did for grade and name. I'm going to put it a little bit longer. Okay. All right. So I'm going to close it now. So I'm going to go line and put it about here. Is that good enough? All right. If anything, we come back and adjust it. Enter. Enter to get the last command. So we go again. Zoom up here. Enter. All right. We all right. Now we are drawing on a big sheet of paper. It's almost the size of a cartridge paper, right? Good. So we have our name, grade, topic, building drawing. We're going to write school, single line text. So zoom up again. I'm going to select here as the starting position. The 6 mm height, rotation angle 0. So we're going to write school. Or let us write firm, which is the firm, like right? So we're going to write firm. CAD with Mr. Hugh. That's the name of the firm, right? Can call it CAD with Mr. Hugh Engineering, or it doesn't matter, all right? But they get the gist. All right, so we're gonna close this now. We're gonna put it, right? So we're gonna go line, gonna come from here to there, enter, enter to get the last command from there to there, enter. So it looks neat. All right, the next thing we're gonna put there is a scale. Right, so we're gonna go single line text. Gonna zoom up here, right here. The height would be 6, rotational angle 0. So we're gonna write scale. Our scale is 1:1. All right. The next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna repeat the process. We're gonna close that part of the title block, right? So we come here, there, enter, enter to get the last command. Enter. So it looks neat, right? All right. So the next thing we're gonna write is maybe page number. So we're gonna come again. We're gonna start right here. The height would be 6. Rotation angle 0. So we can write page number, shortcut for number. And we're gonna leave that blank, right? Meaning, remember, we're making a template that we're going to reuse, right? So the page, I'm going to put 1 there now. I guess we could change it in the future. All right, so we'd have to go click on this, and then we come here. This is 1. All right, so you see how I adjusted it. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to make a layer called the outline layer. So we're going to go click the layer properties manager icon to get the layer properties manager. We're going to click this icon to make a new layer. I'm going to call it outline. We're going to change the line weight to 0.3. Press OK. We're going to close the layer properties manager by clicking this X. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put the margin, not the margin, the border. on the top edge of the title block, this top line. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna zoom out. All right, so we go again. So we're gonna put the bottom line for the title block, the top line for the title block, these two borders, line for the borders. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna put it on the outline. All right. See, it's darker. All right, so I'm gonna come up to the top now. I'm gonna click this line now, the margin, this. I'm gonna put it on the outline, and there it is dark. All right. Now, this is our template, right? Now, if we're making a template, really and truly, we wouldn't really write building drawing in there, but we can edit it after we are finished, right? What I'm gonna do now, this is our template, our drawing title block, and on the sheet of, so remember this outer one is represent the sheet of paper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the dimensions. I want to put it there so that you could understand what I was doing, right? Now you notice how the title blocks looks neat. So whether you're using the AutoCAD or your T-square and pencil and set square, this is one way which you could do it. Maybe in the future I could show you another way to do it, right? But this is the way my teacher taught me, all right? So I'm going to delete these dimensions, or gonna put it on make a layer and put it on a layer. So I'm gonna make this will be the dimensions. All right, gonna close the, and what I'm gonna put the dimensions on the dimension layer. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it off. All right, so I'm gonna lock it and turn it off. Right, see. I'm also going to put the, see, it says if A2 paper and that's the size. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the dimensions layer, press OK, because I don't want it to be on the template. It's just for you to follow and understand where I actually put it on it, right? So I made another video, but I don't think I don't remember if I'd put the dimensions on it and label, all right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you now how to make a block, right? A block enables you to save objects as one entity. So here now I have how many entities? I have the rectangle, which is one, and then the border has 4 lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the lower one, right? What I'm now, I'm going to save it. I'm going to make a template so I can use it. So I'm going to save it as a block. So if I come to block, here it is. Go under the block tab and I come up here. It says create block. I click on it. I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it A2. I'm going to put the measurements here so I can remember. So I'm going to write the longest measurement first. 594 times 420 title block. So we need to give it a name so that when we're looking for it, we know what it is, right? Title block. Well, it's a sheet of paper with the title block, right? But so we're gonna say sheet with title block. All right, it's really the sheet is 594 times 420. We're gonna click OK. Oh, we need to select the object. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we worked on the drawing for the title block. And in the next video, we'll be finishing up the title block and saving it as a block. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Take care. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.